Alright, we're back at household reviews. We got this 3M air filter that we just bought from Amazon. I bought plenty of these before, and we're going to go ahead and install it real quick. This is our second pack, so I was trying to get a review in here. Highly recommend it. Yeah. Second time, so we're going to take the little demonstration on how we take this air filter out. So get it out here. Yeah, this one's, it's like it's definitely time for a change on this one. It's got some dirt on it, a little bit of mold. Yeah. 3M, and this is a 20 by 20 by 1 3M. Go ahead and install it. Oop, don't want to break anything. And put this back on here. There we go. Put these in and put these in. That's the 3M air filters for your HVAC system. Give us a like and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.